How do we get in? We just go through the front door. Thieves are not enter the door. Then we enter the window. Okay. Where is the pearls? I don't know. Here dark. So common now what? I usually steal. I in this case use your steal instinct. Trust me work. Alright. Hey, your steal's instinct is leftward. Sorry. This. Someone is coming. Run. Run. Through the window. Who are they? Question mark. They look suspicious.
Seems they are thieves. Let us check. Hurry up.
Alright.
We lost track of them.
Then let us examine this problem.
Did you decluse?
Yes, there are footprint here.
Yes, you're right. That my footprint.
No, I mean this one.
Oh. Well, will I measure 27 centimeters.
Okay. Now let's ask witnesses.
Did you see someone suspicious?
Yes.
Could you please tell me how their characteristics?
One tall and one medium-bodied. If not wrong, they are the people who live near here.
Sorry, can you take us into their homes?
Certain, but there are far. Lift your hands behind your head. Quick. Welcome a flying cockroach.
Get them.
Okay, let's go. Use the secret path. Yeah, come on. Before they get us. There were they. Then we had to do the last step as a thief. What is that? Surrender.
They stole the pearl here.
Oh yeah. Which one?
This one.
This is not a pearl. This is just imitation. The original pearls are there. So you're wrong to take the pearl. At least with my mistakes we lighter sentence. Alright, poor man, you may go now. Thank you, doctor.
But they steal it.
Yes, indeed. But they only took imitation pearls. It is of no value to me, so there's no price that matches the sentence. My fault, save us, brother. Ha 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 ha. Yes, dude. But we must keep our mission as a thief.